Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Upland, local and long-distance movers near me. One common issue with long-distance moving is the delay in receiving your belongings. This can affect how quickly you adjust to your new home. Another risk is that your things may be destroyed during the loading or transportation process. When you employ our services, you have to worry about these issues. We provide unmatched long-distance moving services and have taken steps to solve typical concerns. Before belongings are loaded into the truck, they are sorted, organized, and arranged. This preliminary process eliminates any possibility of a mix-up. Our personnel have been trained to handle your belongings with the utmost care. Our drivers are likewise professionals, ensuring that your belongings are securely transported and arrive at your new house on time. Our moving business is licensed and insured, so you can be assured that your belongings are in excellent hands. If you're moving within a 50-mile radius of Upland, our local moving service is an excellent choice. Our skilled movers, drivers, and standard vehicles ensure that your moving experience is as stress-free as possible. We also provide all the services and more at a reasonable rate. Our hourly prices range between $30 and $40. Our clients receive far more than their investment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Upland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.